These screws, they keep coming loose on me. See? See it moving? So I'm trying to turn the lawnmower, lift it, and turn it, and this gets more and more loose. So what I'm going to do is put lock washers on it behind there. Hopefully that'll keep them from coming loose again. Takes a T30 Torx. Put a split washer on it. Tighten that one up. Another split washer. Now I got to take the wheel off to get to the third one. Remove this cover off of the nut. Pops off. Takes a 9/16 socket. Takes a little force to get it going. Got to wiggle the wheel off. I don't know if you see that little gear that goes in these tracks, and that little gear turns the wheel. Now I can get to the other screw. The other split washer. Get that torque just right. Put the wheel back on. Nut. Line the gear up so it'll go on. Snug it down. I got to turn this over to the other side. Put the cat back on. I'm going to take off these other screws to put the lock washers on. Lock washer. Flat washer. Now the other one. I got to take the wheel off to get to the last one. Now I'm going to take the wheel off from the other side. The nut off. Get that wheel off. I'm going to install a lock washer on this screw underneath the wheel. This one was really loose. Lock washer. Be right back. I'll find this screw I've dropped. Stuff happens. Let's put the screws back in on the other side. Put this wheel back on. Line the gears up. Finally put the cover back on. That should be good to go for a while. If they don't hold again, I'm going to have to try a Loctite. So hopefully these will hold. I don't see any movement now. Hopefully they'll stay tight.